Okay, so this is how I put extra teachers into a classroom. Um, that's not part of that class that I'm in. So this is my setup. So I go to class and then, we pick neuro and we're just going to call this test. Probably should have set this up before I started working. Okay, so um, when you get to this screen here, okay, click on teachers. And then you want to click on where it says classrooms for selected teachers, and then you select a teacher. And so what you can do is you can go down and I'm trying to find my name, find a teacher. And then if you just click on the first class that they have, it adds just the teacher in, so that would be just me. Okay, so that's how I do it. If you need more help with that, I'd be happy to meet with you and show you. Okay, bye.